Okay, today we're going to make chicken, mushroom, and peppers. Very simple, very easy, delicious. Got a cast iron frying pan, that's great. If not, any pan will work. Heat it up first. That should be good enough. Put a little olive oil, a little bit, a little more, like 3 splashes. And what I got here is a chicken breast. I'm going to use a chicken breast. Put that on about medium heat. Wash your hands. Cook a little bit. Actually, you can turn this up a little bit more to about almost high heat. And then get a knife, maybe a fork, kind of cut it up, get it going. Cut up in little pieces. It'll cook a lot quicker. You can even put it on high. Put that on high, just to get it going. You're going to want to turn it down later. Keep cutting it up, almost like a stir fry. Just keep cutting it up, little pieces. Some pepper in there. I added some pepper. You don't have to, but you can. I like pepper. It's a good flavor. Keep cutting it up, stirring it up. Like I say, it's very similar to a Chinese stir fry. Very similar. Keep heating it up. Add a little more pepper if you want. You want more salt, add more salt. But you don't need much salt. Just a little bit. A little bit, that's all. Mainly you want that pepper. A little more pepper. Like a lot of pepper. Cutting it up as it cooks. It'll be easier to cut up as it cooks. Again, you're at the good high heat. Alright, here we go. Here's what's next. Got 1 pepper coming up. Washed, cut it, frozen pepper. That's a big yellow pepper there. That's about all you want there. Again, high heat still. Put that pepper up. Not gonna take no time at all to soften up. Again, that's pretty high heat there. You don't want to keep it on high heat. Once that water dissipates, it's going to start frying again real quick. So there you go. There's this sauce. There's a chicken. A lot of pepper on this chicken. You can add less. Do how you want to do. And there's the pepper. You gotta let it simmer for a little bit. And here comes the magic. 8 ounces, full 8 ounces of mushrooms. A lot of mushrooms. You really want to load it up. And then again, that's going to add some water, so it's going to take a little time to simmer off. Keep that heat on high, as high as you can get it. And this is going to take probably about a good 10 minutes at this point. So we'll come back in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna stir it up. Looking good. Go another 10 minutes. And I'll make sure that chicken's cooked all the way through. So you got another 10 minutes. That'll thicken up. It's gonna be delicious. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes into this second one, and it's starting to crackle, so you want to stir it up. Turn the heat on maybe to medium now at this point. Oh, that's going to be hot. Going to be hot. I'm going to turn it down to maybe about medium low. Stir it up a little bit. Want to keep it going. We got about another 8 minutes. Medium, maybe even medium low. All the liquid's already been absorbed and it's looking good. That's flavor there, pal. Flavor. You want to stir it up every, minute or 3 minutes. And then you got about 7 minutes left. Let it go. We'll back, see what happens. There's about 4 minutes left. Oh, Keep it stirring a little bit here and there. It's starting to crisp up really good, and that's going to be real good flavor there. Every 1 or 2 minutes, stir it up a little bit. Brown it up. It's going to be good eating. Okay, this looks good, nice and crispy. Again, you cook it a little longer, cook a little less, to your liking. I like it a little bit crispy there. Looking good, that's about right. Turn the fire off, I got a bed of rice there. I like brown rice, you can put this on noodles, white rice, whatever you want to do. Remember, it's your recipe, alright? Couple. Oh man, it's looking good. Turn the fire off, it's all off. A little salt at the end. Don't put salt in the middle, it's a waste of salt. A little pepper. Let's give this a try. That's going to be hot. Hard not to do it though. Let's do it. A mushroom. Oh man. Let's do this. Wow. That'll knock your socks off. That's amazing. It's not what you think. Wow, so good with that pepper. Want more? You can't stop. That is so good.